Yeah. Original Sanchez, he trying to get you to Cali. Somebody trying to get y'all to Cali.
You get one of us, you get both of us.
Yeah, you get, it's a combo package. It's a combo package. Yeah, you gotta get both. Combo package.
You like that blue?
That blue is alright. Got them roaches on there. He trying to do something with them roaches on there. Okay. Blind squirrel say ask him to kiss. Look out, look out. Okay. I see you back. Now this that same Mustang. You done switched it up. I see what you're working with.
Nothing much.
Yeah. We're gonna see what you're doing up here in a minute. Let's get up here to the front. See what it's looking like. Get us. Oh, hey, you ready? Y'all ready? Man, I need to get you a sticker. You ain't got no Lookout Racing sticker yet?
I'm looking the other day. You page, but I never find you.
Oh, man, let me get you the card and everything. I'm gonna have you hooked up today. Here, hold that for a second. Yeah, tell them you said hey or something. Look, here go the stick. I'm finna give you the sticker, miss. You make sure you put that on the window or somewhere. And I'm finna fill my pockets up with the cards. That one for you. Here go one for you, man. You need a sticker too, or just that one?
Yeah, give me one sticker for my car.
Okay. What's that for, her car? Okay, here you go.
Thank you, bro.
Appreciate it, man. Hey, y'all, he said he ain't know. Man, she gonna have that bitch right there. She gonna be representing for real. I wouldn't even put it right there. God damn. Already. Man, they put that thing. They gonna have to look at that sticker every day. Hey, look out. Hey, I got the sticker for you. Mira. He been looking for me. Mira. Hold on. Now I got a new one for you. I got a new sticker. Mira. Bigger. Look, he wants this big motherfucker.
You got the other one, little one.
Yeah, I got you the big one now, man. I already appreciate it, man. Already, he ain't know what to say. He happy in the huh? Okay. Oh yeah, see, he already got one. Uh-oh. He finna burn out. Motherfucker, man. See, camera.
Includes the standout tracks, Bent Motors, The North Bleeding, and Wagwan.
Hey, yeah, they trying to copyright. Oh, yeah, I went and got me a new microphone today. I'm finna start freestyling while I'm live, man. I'm trying to get my voice. What's up with it, man? Nothing much. What y'all got going? Y'all on my YouTube channel? I ain't seen them two. They new looking, man. I know you. Well, where they come from? Oh, y'all be hearing them? Oh, that's you. God damn. Who are you? You the one I don't remember then. Damn, man. I just remember you, and now the WRX, man. You gotta do something spectacular. Bring a car, do a burnout, get kicked out or something. Start some shit. Hey, look out. This is my YouTube channel, Lookout Racing. Yeah, make sure y'all subscribe. Sígueme a mi canal. Dile tu tío. Dile tu abuelito. Notifications, es todo, everything. Already. You got, let me see what you got, man. Oh, you the one cutting her? Who cut her? Oh, I thought you said, your barber be here, you got that barber that be up here? Oh, okay, it's a barber be up here, y'all. Yeah, let me see. Girl, you better go. Hey, little smile block. I appreciate it, man. I might pull up and do something. I put it in the regular spot right now, though. Hey, y'all. This is my YouTube channel. Lookout Racing. You can tell your friend and everybody who didn't get to make it. Look out, man. Okay. This is my YouTube channel, man. Y'all want to put the shout out in or something? Nah. Yeah. Sígueme a mi canal. Dale me gusta. Yeah, and dile tu tío. Make sure y'all dile tu tío. Mira. Mira, tío. He look like a tío. He look like a tío. Yeah. Suscríbete. Let me see. Okay, yeah. Yeah. Hey, you on my YouTube channel? Oh, man, it's going down like James Brown, man. Look out. I got the sticker for you right here. See? Okay. God damn. Hey, man, we got the mop man up there. God damn. Hold on, I'm finna get you the sticker, man. Here, hold that.
Come on, bro.
Talk to him. Tell him.
Look out. You know where to subscribe. Man, if you ain't subscribed on this bitch, you ain't getting no bitches. Yes, sir. I appreciate it, bro.
Already appreciate you, man. Already, he subscribed, man. Yes, sir. Let me see. Oh, yeah, let me catch these people over here. Oh, shit, they finna start. I'm a little bit too late, but I'm on time. Look out, look out. I got a sticker for you, man.
Yeah,
I got a sticker for you. Look, I got a sticker for you. You on my YouTube channel? Let me get y'all the cards, man. Here you go. Hey, look out, some of y'all back there, man. Y'all subscribe, check me out. Dile tu tío. Mira. Look, this is my YouTube channel. Look out racing. Let me see. Oh. Yeah, I've been out here promoting real quick. Trying to get it out there. I'm on manual labor on getting my subscribers. Man. Hey, you on my YouTube channel? Dile tu tío, dile tu abuelito. Already, man.